Hello and welcome to this tech snack. My name is Attila Ambrus. I am an engineering manager at Electronics. In this tech snack, we will introduce the Aero STM32U5 PSA certified based on the STMicroelectronics BU585 IoT02A Discovery Kit, which works seamlessly with cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. We will navigate through cybersecurity best practices for IoT applications suggested by PSA certified, and also showcase the demo created by the Aero engineers to assist your project development. Cybersecurity is a sensitive topic that brings many challenges and concerns for device manufacturers, customers, and users. It is clear that security breach can cause an extensive cost for an organization, not only monetary, but also can damage its reputation. In order to minimize challenges faced by developers, PSA Certified was launched in 2019 with wide support from the electronics industry to solve the fragmentation in IoT security and promote security by design built on a chip's root of trust. Aero and STMicroelectronics are proudly part of the PSA certified ecosystem. Aero's cybersecurity team created a reference design using the BU585 IoT02A Discovery Kit. Let us take a closer look at some features of the Discovery Kit. The core is the STM32U5 flagship ultra-low power microcontroller based on the ARM Cortex-M33 with ARM Trust Zone, 2 MB of flash memory, 786 KB of SRAM, 512 megabit flash memory, a Wi-Fi module, a BLE module from STMicroelectronics, MEMS sensors also from ST, like 2 digital microphones, relative humidity and temperature sensor, 3-axis magnetometer, 3D accelerometer and gyroscope, pressure sensor, time of flight and gesture detection sensor, ambient light sensor, authentication and security for IoT devices from ST. Aero reference design is PSA certified level 1, having the security principles recommended by PSA certified. With our reference design, you can transmit safely the sensor data of the Discovery Kit via Wi-Fi to cloud providers like Microsoft Azure. Afterward, you can demonstrate the sensor reading to Azure dashboard to better monitor your application. In the Aero software reference design, we utilize the PSA certified best practices: unique identification, security lifecycle, attestation, secure boot, secure update, anti-rollback, isolation, interaction, secure storage, cryptographic and trusted services. Our reference design was analyzed by SGS Brightside, the biggest cybersecurity lab in the world, with more than 35 years of experience with security. Do not hesitate to contact our cybersecurity specialists to discuss your project. We will gladly share our reference design and guide you through the PSA certified steps. To learn more about the Aero STM32U5 PSA certified campaign, please access our landing page at aero.com/PSA certified. There, you can find training sessions and other support material. Thank you for watching this tech snack. Goodbye.